Hirap ka pa rin ba mag-eyeshadow? In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do your eyeshadow in just 5 minutes. Myra here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll be bringing you back to the basics and I'll be teaching you how to do your eyeshadow in just 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes lang kayang-kaya mong gawin yung eyeshadow mo. Even if you're not a pro in doing your makeup, you can make this gorgeous, classy eyeshadow look in just 5 minutes. So for today, the eyeshadow that I'm going to teach you is something that is very easy to do. You can wear this eyeshadow look anywhere. Even if you're going to the office, pang everyday lang, pang event if you would want to, pang party, you can wear this eyeshadow look and it's so easy. So before we begin, I'm going to show you the tools that we're going to need. We actually only need 2 brushes to do our eyeshadow for today. So I would like to use a fluffy blending brush and a smudger brush. If you've been on my channel for quite some time now, you already know that I like to have a spare fluffy blending brush, one that is clean, to help me blend out my colors seamlessly. So, pero you can actually do away with just 2 brushes and these are the only tools that you need for this eyeshadow look. For today's look, I will be using this Wet n Wild palette, which is Rosé in the Air. But you don't really have to have this particular palette to do this look because the colors that we're going to use are neutral colors and I'm sure you can easily find these colors on other palettes. So, let's begin! So first, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I will dip it into this neutral brown shade, a light brown shade for my transition shade. And ilalagay natin siya sa ating crease area. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to put it here sa ating crease area and I'm going to build it up to the intensity that I want. For a more everyday look, you don't have to intensify this too much. Just enough to warm up this area to give this a little bit of depth. Pero if you are going for like a party or a more formal event or an evening event, you may want to intensify and build up this color on your crease. So just to give it a more seamless blend, I'll be taking my clean blending, fluffy blending brush and I'm just gonna run this over that color to further blend it out para mas maganda yung kanyang fade. Next, I will take my shader brush and I will dip it in this deep brown or deep chocolate color. And ilalagay ko siya sa, I'm gonna map out this area as close to the lash line as possible. About 1/3 outwards. And then, I'm slowly going to bring it up. Like so. Bring it up. A little bit out and up. Papunta sa crease line. So, I just build up that color up until I reach that crease line here. And then drag it inwards. Nilampas ko lang siya ng slight dito sa eye, pero very, very slight lang. And then, I'm going back with that brush that I used for the crease. And then, I am going to blend this color inwards. So, circular motion, and then drag it inwards. If you're going to be using this kind of technique on a more formal or a more night out look, you might want to try using a black or an even intense color on your outer eye, outer corner, for a more dramatic look. But for an office look or an everyday look, a deep chocolate brown will do. Next, I'll be taking a bright shimmer shade, something like this one, like that. Or if you're not comfortable with using a shimmer shade on a daytime, you might want to use a bright matte shade like this one. So there. So for me, I'm going to take the shimmer shade, and then I'm just gonna use my finger and put it on the inner part up until the middle part of the lid. I'm just dragging and patting. And this will really open up your eye. So I'll just take the blending brush that we used and just blend the two colors together. And we're done. So there you go. That's your 5-minute simple and very easy eyeshadow look that you can do. And I hope you like this video and sana nag-enjoy kayo. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You can also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!
Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no.